Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. Welcome to Infinite Bridge Course series, and this series will be useful for junior college section, science students specifically, for revising mathematics concept of mathematics of various topics. Okay? Infinite Bridge Course series will include differentiation, integration, limits, trigonometry, in short, advanced mathematics, that is calculus. Okay, so let me share my screen, and today we are going to start with our trigonometry lecture number 1. We have already completed 5 lectures of differentiation. So let's begin with our trigonometry lecture 1. Basically, trigonometry was introduced to you all in 9th standard. You had continued few part of it in 10th. It will be continued in 11th, 12th, FY, SY, and TY as well. Not pure trigonometry, but yeah, a part of it would be always with you. Okay. So without wasting time, let me switch off my video for better streaming, and let us start with the basic of your ninth standard. Okay. So there are 6 basic ratios in trigonometry. I hope you all are knowing that, you all are aware of that, and their definition. So trigonometric ratios, a very first heading you can give trigonometric ratios. If you want each and everything in detail, you can go to my 10th geometry playlist, 10th standard का geometry का जो playlist है उधर जाओ, and there trigonometry lectures will be recorded. Okay, so you can watch that also if you want questions as well. Okay, so trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 basic ratios. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, then cosec theta. See the way I am writing, do follow the same. Cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay. So sine theta, let me just put my phone on silent. Sine theta would be opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta would be adjacent upon hypotenuse. And tan theta would be opposite upon adjacent. इसको हम लोग ऐसा भी बोलते हैं sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Coming to cosec, sec, and cot. So cosec theta is nothing but इसका उल्टा means this ratio, इधर जो side है that would be reciprocal. ये जो तुम्हारा right hand side है that would be all reciprocal ratios. So reciprocal, इधर के जितने भी इधर से ratios है सारे reciprocal हो जाएंगे. So cosec will be sin का उल्टा, that is hypotenuse upon opposite, hypotenuse upon adjacent. Here it's going to be adjacent upon opposite. Okay, so basically this ratios हम लोग इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं that they all are reciprocal of each other. Do not forget that part. So let me just continue this particular line. ठीक है, just give me a moment. Let me extend it a bit. Thank God. So let's just write the reciprocal relation between them as well. So they are sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, tan theta के लिए 1 upon cot होता है, but we always prefer it as sin theta upon cos theta only. Okay, so here it's going to be ulta, that is cosec theta, it's equal to 1 upon sin theta, then sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot theta is going to be, yeah, it is 1 upon tan, but we always prefer it as cos upon sin only, majority of the time while solving questions. So this was the definition and reciprocal relations of the ratios. Okay, then there are complementary ratios as well, which you should know. So I would suggest do recall that part as well, that I don't know how many of you know that complementary relation वाले ratios. So complementary ratios भी थे. Complementary angles I would say 90 minus theta मतलब complementary angles. So basically I'm just writing it. So just I would say note that part. I hope तुम लोग को याद आ जाएगा. That is sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. I hope this relation you know. Also याद रखना that tan theta into tan minus मतलब ये और एक नोट है. So just write it as remark only that tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. अगर ऐसा किया तो क्या हो जाएगा, तो इसका आंसर हमेशा होता है 1. Okay, I hope you got it. Then there are trigonometric identities. Again, there is a table formation as well. I will come to this. Let me go to full screen. रुक जाओ. I'll just change that to black color again and I'll go back to full screen. See, there are trigonometric identities as well. So first I will do the identities wala part and then I will go to table formation. So trigonometric identities. So here it's going to be trigonometric identities. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Trigonometric identities we are going to do. See, people tend to by heart these identities. No need of by hearting. There are proof for all the three identities. But अभी इतना साल से पढ़ रहे हो तो फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी तो बाय हार्ट हो गया रहेगा. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 चलेगा. इसके बेसिस पे हम लोग सेकंड एंड थर्ड डिराइव कर लेंगे. ठीक है. तो इससे मुझे क्या क्या मिलेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन गेट वैल्यू ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर थीटा दैट इज 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Then second identity के लिए take the first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 dividing throughout by cos theta dividing throughout by cos square theta. So I'm going to get sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta, isn't it? So what am I going to get here? This is deleted. So plus 1 sin upon cos is tan. So tan square theta is equal to 1 upon cos is sec square theta. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. I hope I am very clear. Let me just write neatly. So इधर क्या होएगा? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So this is your second identity. Don't forget ये आइडेंटिटी से भी मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा. जैसे इधर से मिला मुझे वैसे सेकंड आइडेंटिटी से भी कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. So what is my second identity? My second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. I will get value of tan square theta from it, that is sec square theta minus 1, or I can get value of 1 is equal to tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay, going for the next part, that is just give me a moment. That eraser is not working properly in that full screen mode, so I'll quickly go and rub this part and we'll start with the third identity. Third identity के लिए also we are having same procedure. In that same procedure सिर्फ division के लिए हम लोग ने पहले cos square लिया था, अभी हम लोग tan sin से divide करेंगे. So give me a moment. Don't know why that pen is not selected. I'm not able to write anything. Give me a moment. It seems there is a technical glitch of the OneNote. ठीक है. Now here first we divided by cos square. अभी हम लोग sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We will divide by sin square theta throughout. So sin square theta upon sin square theta upon sin square theta गया. So 1 plus cos upon sin is cot square theta is equal to 1 upon sin is cosec square theta. तुम्हारा थर्ड आइडेंटिटी भी वैसे ही डिराइव हो गया, दैट इज 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा। नाउ जस्ट यू विल गेट द वैल्यू, तो कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा minus 1, and I will get value of 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, so this is the trigonometric identities which one should know. And so sorry, and इसके बाद अगर ये इतना आ गया तो it's more than enough for your first first, at least I would say, revision questions of trigo. This is enough, and we can go ahead with that formation of trigonometric table now. ये थर्ड हो गया. Now let me go towards the trigonometric table. I'm having no idea कितना rows and ये लगेगा. Give me a moment. Let me check how many rows I will required. Insert table. So इधर तो 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So इतना सा table लगेगा. But this entire table I will move to somewhere else. इधर तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे ये table. So let me bring that table over here. First of all, we'll draw and we'll write trigonometric table for standard angle. Values of trigonometric ratios for standard angle. Values of trigonometric ratios. Values of trigonometric ratios for standard angle. For standard angle. So let's insert a table now. Okay. That is, let's go to insert section. Let's go to table. So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So finally I have this table, but I don't know why it's so short. I want a table, a big, थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए मुझे table. What I can do now? Select table and what I can do? थोड़ा बड़ा नहीं हो सकता है table. So this is the drawback of OneNote. In fact, not drawback. I am not able to use it efficiently. So I'll just remove this table from here, and I will just write manually or use PowerPoint. Give me a moment. Since in PowerPoint tables are good. Even the table has a trick. Okay. So don't worry. So this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So sorry for wasting your time. Give me a moment. Let the table be blank, not blank, but the blank means save. I want a proper table. This is good. So let me just extend its size and everything so that I can write neatly. Okay. So now if I copy this slide, will it be okay? But and shall I paste it in my OneNote? Just give me a moment and I'll try to paste that slide over here. Thank God we got a good table, and now we will start filling our trigonometric ratios in it and we will come to the result. Okay. Oh my God, it's already 14-minute post. Anyways, we are nearly done with all our prerequisites. So let's start with the table. So here is angle and इसके नीचे आ जाएगा ratios. So first of all, let me divide this table. इधर आ जाएंगे angle, इधर आ जाएंगे ratios, इधर आ जाएगा 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So here the ratios will be sine theta, cos theta, tan theta sine constant, then you can write in whichever order you want here cot theta, and उसके बाद cosec sec जो लिखना है लिखो, cosec theta and cosec नीचे लिखते लास्ट में, let it be sec theta here, so sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, here 0, so sin, अब साइन का वैल्यू याद रखो चाहिए तो इट्स 0 1 2 3, तो इधर आ जाएगा 0 1/2 रूट अपॉन 1 रूट 3/2 एंड 1, ठीक है। सो इधर आ जाएगा 0 1/2 1/√2 रूट 3/2 एंड 1 फॉर कॉस, ये साइन का वैल्यू हो गया। नाउ फॉर कॉस साइन का वैल्यू रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखो, ऐसा ये ऑर्डर में, ठीक है, सीधे एरो। सो व्हाट विल बी 1 रूट 3/2 1/√2 1/2 0। कभी भी याद रखना tan थीटा इज sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा, sin का इज ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज एंड हियर इट्स एडजेसेंट अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। दोनों जगह डिनोमिनेटर तो कट हो रहा है, हाइपोटेन्यूज हाइपोटेन्यूज गेटिंग रिड्यूस, तो मुझे क्या आएगा ऑपोजिट, मतलब ये डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर कट होएगा, 0/1 इज 0, ये 2 कट होएगा, तो इधर आ जाएगा 1/√3, then it's going to be √2 कट होएगा, तो 1/1 1, then √3/1 is √3। now always remember that 1/0 is not defined, so this you should keep in mind when you go in higher class, मतलब I guess it would be introduced very soon, उसका कोई टेंशन नहीं है, जल्दी तुमको पता चल जाएगा 1/0 इंफिनिटी का कंसेप्ट भी आ जाएगा, सो डोंट वरी, 1/0 इज नॉट डिफाइंड फॉर यू एट प्रेजेंट, सो यू कैन राइट नॉट डिफाइंड, ठीक है। बहुत बुक में इंफिनिटी भी लिखा हुआ रहता है, यू कैन राइट दैट, इट डजंट मैटर। देन फॉर कॉट, तो फॉर कॉट थीटा इट इज नथिंग बट tan थीटा का रिवर्स ऑर्डर, so here it's going to be not defined, then √3, then 1, then 1/√3 and then 0. Talking about sec theta is going to be 1/cos, so don't forget sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, मतलब ये cos के जो वैल्यू है 1/1 उसको उल्टा करो तो 1, फिर ये 2 √3/2 को उल्टा करो तो 2/√3, देन ये आ जाएगा √2/1 is √2, then 2/1 is 2 एंड हियर 0 है, ठीक है, 0 मतलब 0/1 इज 0, और इसका उल्टा क्या आ जाएगा 1/0, इट मींस नॉट डिफाइंड। नाउ फॉर कोसेक थीटा, सेक थीटा का वैल्यू रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखने का, तो इट वुड बी गोइंग टू बी 0 एनी नॉट डिफाइंड 2 √2 2/√3 and 1. So these are the some few basic of your trigonometric ratios. I mean trigonometry of your 9th and 10th standard. So collectively this is the basic. इतना ही है in lecture 2. In upcoming lecture I am going to discuss for various formulas in fact. So see to it that you don't miss that lecture, and for that kindly subscribe the channel and on the notification. In upcoming lectures we are going to discuss sine rule, मतलब basically formulas, डबल एंगल फॉर्मूलाज तो पढ़ना ही अपने को नेक्स्ट टाइम, देखते हैं कौन सा कवर हो पाता है, ठीक है। बट टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द लेक्चर एंड मीट यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके, बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे, and if you all want this note you please put a query on my Gmail ID which is mentioned in the description. Okay, bye bye, take care.